Hello everyone, thank you for following my channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about software as a service for SaaS. SaaS is a way of delivering the software to the user over the internet instead of installing it on a local computer. So think of it as a renting the software and the infrastructure and maintaining the software instead of buying the software and trying to do all these things by your own. SaaS businesses have several features in common. One of them is that they are cloud-based. So the SaaS provider maintains the server for you. So you don't need to think about maintaining the infrastructure yourself and computing. Second is that you usually need to pay a subscription fee to access the service of the software. They're usually monthly, yearly, and um, mm, so for the common software, you don't need to pay a lot as opposed to buying the whole software and investing a lot on this software space. And third one is that they're accessible from anywhere, from home, from office, different devices, anywhere that you have internet, you have access to the software. And the last feature that they have in common is that the SaaS provider takes care of updating the software for you. And this is a key point because the big challenge in providing a SaaS to users or maintaining a business model as such is to update the service and update the infrastructure for the users. So there are some common examples for SaaS, such as Google, Dropbox, Zoom. And in recent years, SaaS got very popular given the growth of internet, from the productivity tools to the customer relationship management tools. All in all, SaaS is a math. So it is data driven instead of being based on the instincts of the managers of the company and the people who manage the SaaS model. And there are billion-dollar examples of the SaaS businesses, such as Salesforce, which provide the customer CRM space to the companies. Another example is the ServiceNow, which provides the automation IT services, or Adobe, which is not completely on the SaaS business model, but it provides also the SaaS services such as Photoshop and illustration. And one other example is the Shopify. It's a popular platform e-commerce that people use it on a daily basis. So you got the extract of what is SaaS and how does it do and what is its business model, what are the challenges, and the advantages of having SaaS is that it has the highest growth. So anyways, thank you for watching the video and hopefully see you in the next videos.